Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to perform different ways of print formatting in Java. So I'll be showing you how to do this for different data types over here as well as I'm having a print statement. So let's get started. So this is the normal print statement that we will be using. It's just system.out.print or println. But in case we want to print with a particular variable, we need to use printf. Alright. So let me just now comment this out fully. Yeah, and let me just copy it. Yeah, copy it as well and paste it in the next line. So yeah, and as I told you, it's going to be printf. So first let me show you how to print an integer variable. So let me just have it as number 1, and we'll be using the percentage symbol over here, percentage d for integer alone. And let me just come outside of the double quotes. It's going to be the variable name a. So this variable, okay, so I'm saving it now. Java C to compile. So here you can see I'm getting number 1, which is number 1, and 2 percentage d corresponds to a, which is 2. 2 is getting printed over here, which is this value. And if I try doing the exact same thing with the print statement, so I will just remove the f over here. So it's going to be just print, and if I just now save it and do the same thing, I think I will be getting an error now. So here you can see I'm getting an error. So here you can see no suitable method found for print. So whenever you are printing a variable, be careful, use the printf statement. Alright, yeah. And if you want a new line, just have a /n over here. So that's not going to be an issue for in case if you want to have a new line. And now let me go to the next point in where we want to have multiple variables within a single print statement. So here you can see I'm having number 1 as this percentage d. So for having another variable, let me just now copy this number 1 and paste it over here, and let me have it as number 2. And same thing, just put a percentage d over here and put a comma over here and just specify the second variable name, which is b equal to 3. Yeah, I just put b over here. Yeah, this is how you do it. Percentage d, this first percentage d corresponds to a and second percentage d corresponds to b. Simple. So I'm saving it and running it again. Yeah, so here you can see number 1 2, number 2 is 3. So exactly this applies for all the things, all the variables. In case if you're having multiple variables of a float or double or string, this will hold true. Okay, so percentage d corresponds to integer. Now let me go with float. So let me just now just remove these things. Yeah, and let me remove this as well. So for float we will be using percentage f. So let me just put f over here, and float variable name is f. Yeah, so percentage d is for integer and percentage f is for float. So I'm saving it and we just now move it top. Yeah, and compiling and running it. So here you can see I'm getting the number as 5.12345. Yeah, and let's suppose that you want to format this number. So here I'm having these many digits after the decimal point. So in case what if I wanted only 2 digits? So in that case it's going to be percentage. After percentage you are going to put a dot 2, which means that only 2 digits will be getting displayed after the decimal point. So I think we'll be getting 5.12 now in the output. So it's percentage dot 2. So again running it. Yeah, so here you can see this time I'm getting 5.12 and not the whole digit. So this is how you format, and I think exactly the same thing applies for double as well. So for double is also, I think it's percentage f, no changes. So let me confirm that as well. Yeah, so here you can see I'm getting 5.12. So for same thing for double as well. And next thing is string. For string we will be using, okay, I will have this high like that. Yeah, and for string we will be using percentage s, and I will put string s over here, saving it. And if I just now compile and run it, we will be getting that in the output. Yeah, same stuff. And the final thing that we have left out is the boolean. So for boolean it's going to be percentage b. Yeah, and just put the variable name over here, saving it and compiling it, and I think it will work. Yeah, so you can see I'm getting high true, so this value over here. And the final thing that I want to show you was you can also print different data type variables within the same printf statement as well. So it's same, like if I just remove this percentage b, if I just put percentage d and I will put a for it, and I will just have some space and type it as string, and here I will put percentage yes, which is for string type, and I will just put a comma over here and it's going to be yes. So here you can see I'm using percentage d and percentage yes as well. So these are like two variables of two different data types. So you can just like use it if you are having any arrays to display any array with its index, or if your array consists of type string, you can, in order to like display with its index, you can try this out. Yeah, and let me just now check if it is working. Yeah, compiled successfully, and yeah, it's working. Hi2, this is for this variable a, and hello corresponds to string yes. So this is how basically you can perform print formatting in Java by using all the data types. So simple thing, just use printf, and you can just use the respective percentage and the corresponding alphabet based upon the data type that you're having. And I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also done many other tutorials in Java, C, C++, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.